This is a multifunctional power bay that will help you so much. It's 16 amps and then 250 volts AC. You have a voltage display here that is telling you how much voltage that is coming through your system, and there's circuit breaker here. In case there's any problem coming, it will just safeguard your equipment by tripping off. At the back of it, we have 6 various sockets. It's multi that any pin at all or any plug at all can fit in very well. Inside of it is a copper plated material that holds the plug very well, so it doesn't give you sparks or any voltage disturbances that will destroy your equipment. You have the input line here from your main source to the input, and also you can loop it here to maybe another one. You can use maybe as many as you want depending on the number of equipment that you are using. So I recommend this for you if you are online streaming organization, if you're a radio station, if you're a TV station, if you are doing podcasts, church, any organization, anything that has to do with power. This is what I recommend for you. You can see it's aluminum plated, very durable and quality. I recommend this for you. Thank you.